Flavor experts carefully blend seasonings that give every ramen variety its unique taste. Some premium noodles skip frying and are gently air-dried for a lighter alternative. Individual cups are grouped into family packs using fully automated wrapping machines. Decades of innovation have transformed simple noodles into a globally loved convenience food.
Quick preparation and affordable pricing make instant ramen a favorite meal for millions.
What began as simple ingredients becomes a quick, comforting meal enjoyed by millions every day.
Every single day, this massive American factory produces millions of instant ramen packs enjoyed across.
Inside these walls, advanced automation keeps production moving around the clock with remarkable speed and precision.
Fresh flour arrives daily and is transferred into giant storage silos before the manufacturing process begins. Every ingredient is carefully tested to ensure consistent quality before entering the production line.
Massive industrial mixers transform simple ingredients into perfectly balanced dough for every noodle. The dough rests under controlled conditions, allowing gluten to develop for the perfect texture. Powerful rollers gradually press the dough into thin, even sheets with incredible accuracy. Advanced sensors constantly measure thickness, ensuring every noodle meets exact manufacturing standards. The noodles are gently steamed to cook them while preserving their signature chewy texture. Moisture levels are carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality throughout every production batch. The famous curly shape improves texture and helps absorb flavorful broth during cooking. Many ramen varieties are quickly fried, creating their lightweight texture and long shelf life. Some premium noodles skip frying and are gently air-dried for a lighter alternative. Some premium noodles skip frying and are gently air-dried for a lighter alternative. Flavor experts carefully blend seasonings that give every ramen variety its unique taste. Automated fillers seal thousands of seasoning sachets every minute with remarkable accuracy. Separate production lines create durable cups and bowls, ready for the finished ramen. Robotic systems place every noodle block into its container with speed and precision. Finally, flavorful seasonings and vegetables are added before the packaging process begins. Each ramen cup is securely sealed to lock in freshness and protect every flavorful ingredient.
Every package receives a unique production code for complete traceability and quality control. Smart cameras inspect every package, instantly removing any product that fails strict quality standards.
Precision scales confirm every cup contains the correct amount before moving forward. Individual cups are grouped into family packs using fully automated wrapping machines. Robotic palletizers stack thousands of cartons with incredible speed and flawless accuracy. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment stable throughout storage and long-distance delivery. Finished products enter a smart warehouse, where automation manages inventory around the clock. Controlled storage conditions help maintain product quality until every shipment leaves the factory. Every day, hundreds of trucks arrive to deliver ramen to stores across America.
Many products also travel overseas, supplying customers in markets around the world. Final laboratory testing confirms every batch meets strict food safety and quality standards. Modern factories reduce waste through recycling, energy savings, and responsible resource management.
Engineers monitor every production line in real time to keep operations running smoothly. Routine maintenance keeps every machine operating safely with maximum efficiency. Together, these advanced systems produce millions of ramen packs every single day.
Within days, freshly packed ramen arrives on store shelves, ready for customers nationwide.
What began as simple ingredients becomes a quick, comforting meal enjoyed by millions every day. Precision robotics reduce errors while maintaining exceptional speed and consistent product quality.
Before shipping, every final inspection confirms packaging meets strict quality requirements.
These enormous warehouses organize millions of products before nationwide distribution begins.
Many shipments continue overseas, supplying customers throughout international markets.
Quick preparation and affordable pricing make instant ramen a favorite meal for millions. Eye-catching packaging helps every product stand out on crowded supermarket shelves.
From factory precision to your table, every bowl delivers convenience and comforting flavor. By day's end, millions of finished ramen packs around the world. In just minutes, carefully engineered noodles transform into a hot, satisfying meal. Decades of innovation have transformed simple noodles into a globally loved convenience food. Behind every machine stands a skilled team ensuring smooth, safe, and efficient production.
Modern factories reduce waste through recycling, energy savings, and responsible resource management.
Every single day, this massive American factory produces millions of instant ramen packs enjoyed across.
Many shipments continue overseas, supplying customers throughout international markets.
Eye-catching packaging helps every product stand out on crowded supermarket shelves.
By day's end, millions of finished ramen packs around the world. In just minutes, carefully engineered noodles transform into a hot, satisfying meal.
Quick preparation and affordable pricing make instant ramen a favorite meal for millions.